Okay, so this is what I want you to do. All right, if you notice on here, it says word problem, it says strip diagram, and it says equation. So I want you to find the word problem. I just want you to sit it here. Okay, I want you to find both of the strip diagrams. There's two. I want you to sit those both there. And then I want you to find the equations, and I want you to sit them both here. Okay? All right, you need your dry erase marker and your eraser. You're going to be using the tape. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to read the problem. Okay? Jordan, read for me.
Patrick downloaded 128 songs on his music player.
Daryl.
Daryl downloaded twice as many songs as Patrick on his music player. Daryl downloaded 12 additional songs. Which equation and strip diagram can be used to find why the amount of songs Daryl downloaded on his music?
Okay. Instead of writing on here, we're going to write on the desk. All right, so let's talk. What do we know? What do we know? Nazir?
Daryl downloaded 128 songs.
All right, Daryl downloaded 128 songs. So let's go ahead and put a D, and we're going to put Daryl.
You mean Patrick?
Oh, okay, thank you. My mistake. Thank you. Somebody's paying attention. All right, Patrick downloaded 128 songs. All right, what else do we know? Charlie, what else do we know?
Daryl downloaded twice as many songs as Patrick.
Okay, so how can we represent Daryl? It says Daryl downloaded twice as many. So how does that look? How would that look here? Jordan.
128 times 2.
Okay, 128 times 2. How else could that look? Just curious. How else could that look? We know that multiplication is what?
To get skipped home.
What type of addition?
Repeated addition.
Repeated addition. So how else could this look?
128 times.
All right, so how do we write that?
128 plus 128.
And I just wanted you to see both ways because we never know how it's going to look on the test, right? Okay, so Daryl has twice as many as Patrick, so it can be represented 128 times 2 or 128 plus 128. All right, what else do we know here? Nazir?
How Daryl download 12 additional songs.
Okay, what does 12 additional mean? Kind of sounds like the word. What is 12 additional? 12 more. So more tells us we're going to. So he downloaded 12 more. So let's just put plus 12 there. Okay, so let's just make sure we know what we have so far. So Patrick, what does this 128 represent?
How many songs that Patrick downloaded?
And then what does this represent?
The way that we can show that
Daryl
downloaded twice as many
Okay.
songs as Patrick.
And what does this represent?
The plus additional.
The
Daryl downloaded 12
the
additional.
12 more that he added. All right, let's continue on. It says, which equation and strip diagram can be used to find why the amount of songs who?
Daryl downloaded on his music
So
player.
who are we only looking at right now?
Daryl.
We're only looking here. Let's kind of just start that. Let's start at Daryl. Are we looking at Patrick?
Nope.
We're looking at Daryl. So this is what I want you to do. All right. Okay, you're going to kind of just turn to your elbow, partner. So I want y'all to look at each strip diagram and decide which one matches the problem and what it's asking us. And then I also want you to look at the equation and see which one matches what the problem is asking us. Now, when you get your answer, you take the other one that we're not going to use off. So the only thing I should see is the problem, the strip diagram that matches, and then the equation. Any questions?
Nope.
All right, have a conversation and go.
Okay,
So talk about them.
so right here what we did was we have the total of Patrick's download.
Yeah. So
And then
I'm curious, why are we talking about Patrick? Is this asking anything about Patrick? All right, be careful.
Daryl, so we have what Daryl downloaded twice as many.
So you should be talking about the strips and seeing which one matches that.
This, I say the first, this one with 120.
And tell, you have, don't just,
one right here.
when you point to it, tell why you
That's what I'm
think that. Okay, thank
I
you.
picked this one because
Okay, now
there
you need to be having a conversation, please, sir.
228, and then he had 12 additional more.
I think it's this one
So
right
that's
here.
plus.
Why?
Because
Because he had 228
Daryl
plus 12. They go to 12. There's no 12
multiply
on here, so we couldn't do that one.
220,
But-
128 multiply
white-
2 and
The Y
that added
the whole thing
12.
of Daryl's.
Because we're not
Yes.
adding
So
the
you should be
Y.
looking back over here at Daryl. And you should be looking at
But you can
the
also
different ways we can represent Daryl here. And we need to look at the strips and see which one of those matches that.
So we, if that's 120,
About 10 more seconds.
that's
and we're done.
128, right? So that's times 2 plus 12. That's what we have here. This one's just showing 128.
Okay, so go ahead and straighten yours up if you have your hands.
128. Okay, so I think it's this one. No, it has to find which one.
Quickly, quickly.
Okay, so we get 100 times 2 plus 12 equals 1. I found it. I think it's this. Yep.
All right, let's have a conversation.
Yeah.
All right, so let's look. I'm going to put both of these here. All right, let's move this out the way. All right, let's talk about these. All right, I kind of erased it. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're just looking at Daryl. So I'm looking at both of these strips. Let's look at this one first. All right, tell me how this strip, what is this strip telling you right here?
Daryl, no.
Just tell me about this strip.
I'll tell you how Patrick downloaded 128 songs.
What does this 128 show us here?
The downloads.
No.
Patrick's,
Download.
how many
Okay,
Patrick downloads?
don't worry about Patrick or Daryl. I want to know what this 128 is showing us on this strip. The total. All right, have a seat, please. All right, this 128 is saying that there is a total of 128. Did Daryl have a total of 128?
No.
We should already be able to spot that this will not work. Okay, now if we can't just say yes, we got to know why. Because I did see us pointing to this one at first. We have to realize that, as Jordan said, this 128 is giving us a total, which now we can think about Patrick. Patrick had a total of 128. But we're looking for Daryl. Now let's look at this one. What do we see here? How is this matching Daryl?
Because it has, what we did here was 128 times 2, and that's 2.
All right, so she says she sees 128 how many times?
2.
2.
Or repeated addition.
Or repeated addition. And then what do you notice here?
Plus 12.
All right, the additional 12. All right, and with this Y, we're trying to find what part of the strip? The whole, the total. All right, so this is what matches there. All right, excellent. All right, so let's look at these. All right, let's look at this one first. Tell me about it.
This one matches that one because they did Y plus Y, and we were, well, Y plus Y plus 12. And that's not what